on teacher registration onto DIKSHA and troubleshooting. So the first thing that we have to do is that we have to download DIKSHA app and install it on a mobile device. So the first thing is that teacher needs to do, he or she has to open Play Store. Okay, then type DIKSHA on the search box. Select DIKSHA platform. Okay, so once you type DIKSHA here in the search box, then this DIKSHA title will be displayed. So select this DIKSHA. So on selecting that, click install, and then after installing, you can select open. Okay, so after selecting the open, we will come to the next screen. So on the first screen, you have to select English. Then on the other screen, select teacher, and then select board on the next screen. After that, a next screen will appear. So you have to select Meghalaya, state as Meghalaya. Remember to select state Meghalaya. Please do not select any other state. Even if you are teachers from other state but teaching in the state of Meghalaya, you are supposed to select state Meghalaya. Okay, so select both state Meghalaya, medium as English, and for classes you can select in which the teacher is teaching. Okay, if the teacher is teaching class 1, you can select class 1, class 2, class 3, or class 4, or class 5 for this NISHTHA FLN 3.0. For nursery and the KG, it will not be available now since we are taking it up with DIKSHA, but in the future it will be available. So kindly tell teachers when it will be available on the DIKSHA platform to select nursery or KG. Then on the next screen, we have to select state as Meghalaya, and remember to select your district, East Khasi Hills, or in whichever district the teacher is residing. Now, so after doing that, now how to register into DIKSHA? To register into DIKSHA, okay, we have to open the DIKSHA mobile app. Okay, now then we have to select the 3 lines. This is the 3 lines. Okay, okay, you select on this. Then on the next screen, we have to select login. Then on the next screen, select register here. This is for the first time for the fresh teacher who haven't registered yet on DIKSHA is supposed to do this. Okay, so select register here. Then on the next screen, enter your name. First enter your year of birth, then enter your name, enter your mobile or email. Okay, then enter your password. Again, enter the password. Okay, again confirm that the password that you entered here is the same in here also. Okay, then select I understand and select register. Okay, so once you have done that, one can also log in using his or her Google account. If a teacher has a Google account, he or she can also log in using a Google account. Simply select sign in with Google, and then select the account on the next screen. Select the Google account that you want to register with DIKSHA. Then on the next screen, select I agree the terms and condition, and then select continue. Then on the next screen again, you have to select teacher again. Okay, then on the next screen, you have to again select state Meghalaya, English, medium as English, and class in which the teacher is teaching. Then again on the next screen, we have to select state Meghalaya, then the district in which the teacher is teaching, block, cluster, and school, and then select your year of birth again. Once you've done that, okay, so you are registered into DIKSHA. Now how to log in into DIKSHA? To log in into DIKSHA, okay, one has to click this one. Okay, login with DIKSHA, or we can also select we can also log in with a Google account. Then on the next screen, while selecting this login with DIKSHA or this on the next screen, we have to enter your email address or the mobile number in which you have registered into DIKSHA. Then enter the password that you have saved. Okay, then click login. Okay, now once you click login, now how to consume courses in DIKSHA? To consume courses or to take up courses, one has to select the uh, the magnifying glass. Okay, now we have to search for courses specifically for the state of Meghalaya. Remember, for this training program, Meghalaya state has created uh, has has created specific courses for the teachers. Okay, so for NISHTHA 2.0, that is secondary and higher secondary teachers are to take courses which starts with ML_SEC. But for teachers, for teachers undergoing NISHTHA 3.0, okay, that is pre-primary teachers up to class 5 teachers are to consume courses or to take courses which start with ML_FLN. So please remember this, okay? For NISHTHA 2.0, secondary and higher secondary teachers are to take up courses which starts with ML_SEC. And for NISHTHA 3.0, teachers are supposed to take courses which starts with ML_FLN. So please do not confuse, okay? Then after that, once we type here in the search box, okay, by clicking on this, you will get this screen. So here we have to type ML_FLN. Okay, this is just as representative image, okay, used for NISHTHA 2.0. But for 3.0, we have to type here ML_FLN. Okay, so once you type there, then the courses will be displayed here. But here it will display as ML_FLN. Okay, since the course are not alive but are not available for teachers now, so we can't use those. Okay, so we are just giving you that representative image of NISHTHA 2.0. Okay, so for FLN group, okay, of NISHTHA 3.0, we have to use ML_FLN. So once you type there, then here it will display as ML_FLN and then the course name. So for FLN, that means the course is going to start tomorrow. We will have two courses. Here I will display two courses once we type here ML_FLN. Now once you type that, okay, then we have to click join course. Then we have to select join course from our mobile. Okay, once we select join course, okay, so this is one way to join the course, or the other way is that teachers can also select link for easy access to courses provided in the WhatsApp group on your respective support group. So this WhatsApp messages will be sending to the DSEOs, and then the DSEOs, okay, can in turn send it to the respective teachers, okay, on the support group. So this type of messages will be sent, so teachers can easily just click on the link and then it will take you directly to this course. Okay, once a teacher click on the link, it will take us directly to this course, and then the teacher can simply click on join course. Okay, so these are the two ways of doing things. Okay, once we can use this one, use this one, or we can easily click on the link given on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so on selecting the link, join course screen will appear and teacher can select join course. Okay, yes, I will show you the courses. Okay, for FLN, I will show you the course. Okay, then once we have done that, okay, then this next screen will come. This screen will come. Then tick mark the agree button. Okay, this one here, you have to tick mark this one here, and then select share. Okay, on the next screen, select share, and then on the next screen we have to select start learning. So once we have done that, once we click on start learning, then this screen will appear. Okay, on this screen it will display your profile name, so make sure you have entered a correct name. And if you want to edit, select the pen picture button, then select start learning. On the next screen, select play. Point to be noted that sometimes teachers' internet speed may be slow. Therefore, contents will not be able to load properly. In that case, teachers will have to try again in opening the course. Okay, so once we have done that, okay, once we have clicked here, once we have selected start learning, then this screen will appear. So a teacher can download or simply click on play. Okay, on the play button. Similarly, once we've done that, okay. Similarly, different arrows are the courses that teachers are to learn. This is ML secondary courses. I will be showing you FLN courses. Okay. So similarly, these are the courses that teachers are to learn. They may contain text, pictures, and videos, etc. Okay, teachers are supposed to learn courses one by one and not skip or jump courses and take these courses seriously. Every course has assessment. Okay, it must be noted that teachers has a maximum of 3 attempts to attempt quizzes. If one exhausts all the 3 attempts, then a certificate of completion will not be made available to teachers. Okay, so teachers have to score 70% and above in the assessment activity to get a certificate. So this is the example of the assessment. Okay, this is the assessment activity screen. Here, teacher had to select the correct answer. After attempting one question, click the next button. Then another question will appear on the screen. So once we have done that, okay, then this screen will appear. If you have attempted all the activity, this screen will appear. Click review if you want to change your answer, or click submit your assessment. So once we have clicked the submit button, okay, the screen will appear. Once submitted, the screen will appear and score will be displayed. Select redo to improve your score. However, remember that you have to score 70% above to get a certificate, and you have only 3 attempts. So be sure you choose the correct answer, okay? So be sure you choose the correct answer and click exit if you finish attempting all the questions. So I'll be showing you, okay, the courses for. Okay, so I'll be showing you the courses for NISHTHA FLN. So this is the course for ML FLN introduction to ML FLN course. Okay, this is the first course, ML underscore FLN underscore introduction to FLN mission. Okay, so this is the course 1. So these are the modules. Okay, course instruction, objective, course outline. So teachers are supposed to do all these courses. They have to complete it within the 30th of next month. Okay, on the 30th of August, and the course will start tomorrow. Okay, so they are supposed to do all of these modules. They have to complete all of these modules. Okay, so this is the assessment activity. For example, this quiz. Okay, so let me open this quiz. This is the assessment activity, which is very important for teachers. Since if they want a certificate, they have to complete, they have to achieve 70% or above. So kindly make sure to tell teachers that they go through the course, okay, seriously, so that they can select the correct answer. Okay, so these are the assessment activities that teachers has to take for course 1. Okay, and these are all the modules, and these are all the modules that teachers are supposed to take. This is course 1. This course will be available tomorrow. Oh, okay. So this is course 2, ML underscore FLN underscore shifting towards competency based education. So this is course 2. Okay. So these are the modules. Okay, course overview, introduction, learning outcome. So teachers have to go through all of this module 2. Okay. The link for these courses will be given tomorrow, so teachers can join tomorrow. Okay.